So I like the fact that this is a small business in tourism that is trying to utilize our natural assets. For example, this river, which for some may be just another river. But this river, as you have discovered, has incredible potential to be used as an attraction in tourism. In fact, you would like to put on this a pontoon boat on which you can serve dinner and lunch and have a ribbon and crocodile tours and dinner cruise, all kinds of things. So rivers are, incredible natural assets for us, but we don't always treat them as we should. I mean, in addition to the significant value, economic value, and environmental value, what we are noticing is that rivers are becoming a place for the disposal of refuse and solid waste. And that is creating all kinds of problems, even for this river, because it is congesting the flowway of the river and creating flooding and all kinds of issues. So we're going to take a look at this to see how we can ensure that the river course is clean, that the banks are maintained, but more than that, that the mangroves are maintained.
And over there we're going to have catamaran.
Excellent.
On that side.
Excellent.
And we're going to have a floating bar. Floating bar.
Now that's how the economy grows. The economy grows when persons like you say, you know what, I'm going to take a risk on the country and make an investment.
And he's coming home after living away for 38 years.
Yes, the exponent. And he come back. Say,
well, I am the Prime Minister that has made the open invitation. I said to Americans, Jamaican Americans, Jamaicans in the United Kingdom, in Canada, wherever you are, this is your home. More than that, this is your homeland.
Absolutely.
Come back to your homeland.
Absolutely.
Blessings.
Yes,
Blessings.